Good morning. Just here, I want to maybe comment a little bit about some of the things. Thank you very much for all the people who have submitted the first discussion and the syllabus on time. And now, just here, I want to talk a little bit about the discussion. Now, for the discussion board, I have every week a question that you are going to answer. Have your group, for example, here, members research online to find what satellites are in space to help astronomers study the sun. In addition to searching for NASA satellites, you might also check for the European Space Agency and the Japanese Space Agency. Every student in the group should post an answer to this question. Okay, then I am John, I'm gonna answer this question. Searching, trying to find information in my textbook. For astronomy, it is also, you are encouraged to Google things, go to the NASA website. The reason is that we have so many advances, so many things are going on. Then go and find that, and then post your discussion by Wednesday. Now, after that, you have until Friday to comment on one of your group. Your group mostly is 4 or 3 students. Only one reply. If you will not post by Wednesday, you're going to lose all the points. Okay? You will not get any points for the reply. Okay, then you should post by Wednesday and the reply by Friday. Okay, one more thing for this week here, we have a new assignment that usually it is challenging, and I provided for you here more like resources. This is the ranking task, and of course I have also so many videos talking about it. Just these forms here for this week, it is based on motion of the sky. Now, motion of the sky, we know that the earth is actually rotating about its axis every 24 hours. And based on that, and it is, showing you here the sun with some of the constellations to show you how you are going actually to understand what is really the motion in the sky. Now, one thing that I want you to know here, that let me have the student view, is that these forms you are going to download. And I also, I have this is in the recorded videos. These are forms where you're gonna fill. Okay, see here, like I can here, this is okay, I wrote okay, of course it's gonna be maybe A, maybe C, maybe D. Okay, and you need to have an explanation here. When you save them, you're gonna save them as here. I did not download, unfortunately. Okay, I need to open my download. Okay, yeah, and mine is asking me with your changing or without your changing. Okay, and then I will change the name for change the name, because sometimes for the old versions of Acrobat Reader, it will not save the changes. Then maybe you're gonna say filled or something, so that when you upload for the Canvas, you are going to have the filled ones. One thing that I want to tell you, for this week only, I'm gonna have this assignment due in 2 weeks. The reason this is the one that is, I feel, most challenging in my class, and maybe I want you to look at carefully and take your time. And you can contact me anytime, tell me, okay, I submitted my files, just to look if they are filled in or they are blank forms. The reason is sometimes the students, they're gonna submit the blank, and I will check them for completeness, not for correctness. Okay, this is the only new assignments that we're gonna have this week, and for the rest we have, of course, your quiz, you have the discussion, and just here I provided you with like these videos here. They're gonna make you able to study the motion of the sky. This one here, it's a very helpful tutorial where you're gonna play with it and see what is the background, very similar to what we do in the actual assignments. Then here you are, like, you're gonna answer the question, you're gonna make these in order, and it's gonna grade for you. Here of course incorrect because I did this like randomly. And this is the, of course, connecting to the second one. Okay, then these are really good because they're gonna help you in understanding how you are going to work on your ranking tasks. Okay, again, for the discussion here, it's gonna be a new question, and that question related to chapter 2. What two factors made it difficult at first for astronomers to choose between the Copernican heliocentric model and the here there are two models, geocentric and heliocentric, and then you're gonna look at that